the transitional period between the brutal heat of summer and chilling cold of winter, may be the season of shedding old growth for new, but it is the season of new growth for the Calvert County Natural Resources Division, or CCNRD. The life cycle of a naturalist intern is a fast 12 weeks filled with knowledge, hands-on training, and many nature pictures. The naturalist intern learns quickly what it means to be a naturalist with the CCNRD. Let us look back on the season of our 2025 Fall Naturalist Intern, Ezra. Where is he? Well, he's not here. That's bizarre. Usually he's hiding in here. Not here either. Where could he be? Finally, there you are. Get off the ladder so we can recap your season here. Ezra started off his time with the CCNRD just like any other young animal, knowing nothing about the world. He spent the first part of his internship observing, taking notes, and absorbing as much information as he can. At this part of the season, he was really figuring out how things worked. He made his way through the newly reopened Battle Creek Cypress Swamp Nature Center and helped the other CCNRD staff get ready for the field trip season to begin. The main job of the naturalist intern is to help in teaching educational programming. Ezra started off his field trip season with a notebook and his listening ears, observing the other naturalist staff, seeing how the Chestpack's 5th grade field trips are supposed to be run. By mid-season, he was leading one full station and team teaching the full field trip with another naturalist. By the end of the season, he was leading full classes by himself. Throughout this process, he was always receiving feedback from the other naturalists, ways that he can improve and grow. Though the bulk of Ezra's job is to teach the Chestpack's 5th grade Oysters field trip, he was given the opportunity to experience the other field trips that are put on in the fall, including the Chestpack's 1st grade Bugs trip and Chestpack's 7th grade trip. He also helped in teaching the homeschool programs, both the monthly Friday program and Teen Homeschool Day, and assisted the other naturalist staff in putting on public programming such as campfire cooking, schools out camp, and Halloween. Educational programming isn't the only thing that Ezra was doing all of this time. He also helped in doing animal care. With the animals moving back to Battle Creek, it's been a learning experience for all of the naturalists in the new and improved Nature Center. The animal ambassadors in the care of the CCNRD staff are teachers, just like the rest of the staff. They assist in teaching the public about the local wildlife here in Calvert County. Taking care of so many animals can be hard work, but he has fun seeing all the animals every day he's in the office. Ezra also attended outreach events during his time as the intern, such as Lower Marlboro Freedom Day, the St. Mary's College of Maryland Career and Internship Fair, and the Calvert County Park and Recreation Halloween event. Taking knowledge on the road and teaching people about CCNRD and Calvert Nature Society, telling everyone about all the brilliant work that they get to do. But 12 weeks comes quickly when you're learning as much as you can. As fall transitions to winter, the natural world rests. But Ezra's growth continues. With new skills and confidence, one question remains. What will he do next?